Obviously, labor is a huge issue for us. It's our number one issue from year to year: finding quality employees, training quality employees, retaining quality employees. Um, every year, we sit down in our operations meetings in the off season and try to come up with ways that, frankly, we can reduce our reliance on labor. One of the things that's great internally about the Weathermatic system is it actually saves us labor. It allows us to make service calls without being there, change settings, adjust things, suspend watering, uh, set water in programs for new material. So there is an offset for us. But to take it one step further, not only has Weathermatic helped us reduce our need for field techs and irrigation, we, as a lot of landscapers, rely heavily on the H-2B visa program, which we have for years. If you guys have dealt with the H-2B program, you know from year to year, it's incredibly unpredictable. Some years things work very smoothly. Some years there's no visas at all. Frankly, I've had several meetings in person and several conversations with Mike Mason, who's the CEO of Weathermatic. In those conversations, he's done a great job of learning about our business, learning about our challenges, learning about how they can help us. And one of the ways, frankly, completely aside from the SmartLink system that they've come up with to help us, is with H2B. After hearing our concerns and the concerns of other companies in this area, Mike had put together a sort of a consortium of larger landscape companies, tied us into a Washington, D.C. lobbying firm that's very active in immigration. And frankly, in the grand scheme of things, a very small monthly investment, we now have hope that this problem that's a year-to-year problem can be solved for a long period of time and give us the certainty we need to plan, to invest in capital, to make decisions, good decisions, based on good knowledge of what we're going to be dealing with. That, frankly, is something I never expected to come from our conversations. But again, one thing through this whole thing over the last 3 or 4 years of meeting with Weathermatic that they've shown over and over is their interest in understanding our business, their interest in understanding our challenges, and then systematically taking away those roadblocks or helping us with them, that's the definition of a partnership to me.